Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel. Today my old subscribers and my new subscribers, you all are welcome. I love you all. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my fenugreek seed and ginger. It's very good for your hair growth. It stimulates your hair. It has a lot of vitamin, calcium. It's so good for your hair growth and for dandruff. It's very good to use ginger when you have dandruff on your hair. It's very good. This is fenugreek seed. It's so good to grow your hair. It's so good when your hair is weak. When your hair is so dull, it makes it to shine, it makes it to grow. And ginger stimulates your hair. Ginger kill dandruff, and ginger make hair to grow. Also, it's so good for your hair. If you have not been using it, try to be using it for your hair. It's so good. So how we're going to start it is to cut the ginger. The one I need, I cut it. You wash it and clean it if you like. So you cut it gradually. After cutting it gradually this way, I wanted to cut it with hand, but I have to take cutting board to cut it. Yeah, so I'll cut this one with the fenugreek seed. You cut it gradually because of the blending. After doing that, this way, you see the way I'm cutting it, you put it together inside this blender and just cover it up. So you don't need to add water, you don't need to add nothing, just the ginger and the fenugreek seed. So we're going to be blending it this way. So after blending it, you see the way it is this way. Now when I open it, it's because of the liquid that comes out of the ginger that makes it to be so. But don't worry about that. It's so good. You just remove everything this way. Guys, this oil is so good. It's so rich and it's so good for your hair. It's so good for your hair. Since I start using it, since I learned of this fenugreek seed and start using the oil, it's so good. So it will be this way. This is a jug, a bottle that I bought something with. I just wash it up. So you put it inside this way. Just put it inside. Depends on the quantity you want. If you want more, you can do more. If you want, maybe you want like full bottle, you can do that. Okay, so I just want little. I do for just, this is olive oil. I pour it inside. It's not enough, so I have to bring out another olive oil and pour it inside. The ingredients is so simple: fenugreek seed and ginger. So it will be this way. You see, it's just with the amount of the fenugreek seed and the ginger, the oil, that is where it ends. You can decide to put more oil, but I want the ingredients to soak inside more and more. I don't want the oil to be more than the ingredients. Okay, that's what I want to do for like 3 days or 4 days or 5 times use. So this is pot, and on the gas you put just water in there. After putting water, you put the bottle and you add it inside. Adding it inside, you take a cover and just cover it, not to cover it where you cannot see space. There has to be a space this way. So we just cover it. We're going to be leaving it for 15 minutes. We're going to set time for 15 minutes. So now we've set the time. It's 14, 13 going. Now it's boiling. Just that. Now it's 12, 11, 4, 15 minutes. You're going to leave it for 15 minutes. You stir this way with spoon. Okay, it's so good, this oil. Now is 2 minutes done. It's going to the end. Going. Yeah, we are there already. You off it and remove it. That is just it, guys. It's so simple to make. It's so simple. Now I take it out of the pot. You take it and stir. If you have a sipper, you bring it out with a neat plate and just sip the oil out the way you see me doing it. Press the oil out of it. If you have a neat cloth that is a net, you can use it to do that too. Sip is still good too. So we sip it out this way. I press every oil out of it. So guys, this is the bottle I'm going to be putting in the plastic. I'm going to be putting it, okay? You just look for any container that you want to put it, you add it to the container. It's also good. Sorry, I messed it up. I'm going to clean it. So that is just it. Simple. Use it on your hair. It's so rich and so nice. You see the color is so beautiful. Do you know it's good for your skin too? Fenugreek is very good. It's good for everything. This, I'm not going to train it away. You can use it for your cake, or you can use it for your whatever you want, your bread, or you can do it as a mask too. You blend it. So this is the oil. Thank you for coming here today. I love you. I can't stop loving you all. You all are blessed in Jesus' name. Bye bye. I love you. Remember to subscribe, share, like, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload.